itself to becoming inconsistent. It all distills down to what I call is the 50-50 trader. That's that individual who constantly makes money and gives it back. He can consistently see the potential of the marketplace, but he can't consistently take profit, and that's because he's always gravitating to this, that, or the other, and he can't stick to one thing for any length of time, and he never gives himself a chance to really condition himself to get an understanding. And that's why learning how to interpret price is so critical. There's a great saying that says, any fool can take any scenario and make it highly complex, but it's the genius that takes the reverse decision and makes the complex simple. And trading falls into that category as well, especially trading on a short time frame. That's one of the true benefits of trading on a small time frame and trading on an intraday basis. It doesn't have to be a stressful, arduous process. We can work off of what we call our trading plan. Two of our primary rules is plan your trade and trade your plan. And always look for a reason not to place a trade. In other words, prior to each one of these trading sessions, we have a worksheet that we go through, and we plan and anticipate where we want to see our entry strategy develop. We plan and see where we want our entry point to develop, so that then we can sit back and just patiently wait for the market to come to us. We're trading with a sense of certainty because we have an understanding of how to interpret this price, just like the musician can interpret the sheet of music. Remember, price is truly the only predictive indicator we have. When we're trading with indicators, we are really trading on blind faith. We have to sit and helplessly wait for the crossover or the hookover or the oscillator to give us that sign that it's time to enter into the marketplace, but we can't really plan when that's going to happen. We just have to sit and wait and hope that it does. And that's why technology-based trading applications are so difficult for most individuals to consistently trade. We've got our, looks like we're just about here to get our short confirmation on our dollar yen here. Let me just keep an eye on it here. So we've got our short set up here. We're looking for a 10 pip scalp here off of this particular entry point here. We try to just go for a 10 pip profit objective in these sessions. We look for anywhere from 10, 15 to 20 pips, and we'll talk about that in a little more detail as we move forward here. But we just go for a 10 pip profit objective in these live sessions here, so that we can see a trade from beginning to end. But there's our short there on our dollar versus yen here, and so we'll keep an eye on that as we move forward here. So as I was saying, once again, is anytime we can shortlist the process, it just means that we're going to be more consistent and more successful at what we do. So once again, here at the Trading Institute, the name of our trading, we just need a couple more pips here, and we'll have our net 10 here. We need like one more pip here. There we go. So there's our 10 pips right there that we've made right there. And on a 1-lot transaction, that could equate to $100. On a 5-lot transaction, that could equate to $500. On a 10-lot transaction, that could equate to $1,000. And we would have made that money in just a couple of minutes. And that's the benefit of trading a rule-based trading application. Remember, we just go for a 10 pip profit objective here in these sessions so we can see a trade from beginning to end. But in our training program, and you'll see that there's some recordings on our website where we look for anywhere from 10 to 15 to 20 pip transactions based on market conditions. But we were able to achieve our net 10 there in a relatively quick period of time. So now we can focus back. We'll see if we get another setup here. Sometimes the evening session can give us that opportunity. So let's go in and let's take a look at our training process, and we'll see if we get another trading setup to start to develop here. Because once again, remember, when evaluating a training program, focus on the process first, and your performance will naturally follow. What you should see on your screen now is a screenshot that says Thin Slice Trading and Methodology. Remember, that's the name of our trading methodology, is Thin Slice Trading, because we want to use the thinnest slice of information to make the best possible trading decision. The reality is there's a lot of value to the old keep it simple principle, even when it comes to trading. Because when we're trading on short time frames, we don't need a lot of information to make good trading decisions. We can use our rule-based trading applications and interpret price so that we can effectively make good trading decisions based on that activity. So let me just click back here and just show you here that prices move even farther south here, just to confirm that I want to, because this session is recorded here, so we can see that we did achieve a full net 10 pips off of that, and so we'll keep an eye out there. Price is moving a little bit farther down. There we go. There's 20 pips right there that we're at right now, and it's going a little farther here. So our trading process, the foundation of our trading process is for one fee, you receive unlimited access to our training program. So the extent of this move so far has been 20 pips, so we were clearly able to scalp out our net 10. I just want to make sure that everybody can clearly see that. So we can go and take a look at our training process and see if we can get another trading setup developed here. So as I was saying, the foundation of our trading program is for one fee, you receive unlimited lifetime or unlimited access to our training process. Now we offer you unlimited access to our training process for 3 key reasons. Reason number 1, everybody when they first start pursuing getting involved in trading and online trading and trading in the Forex market has other commitments in their lives. In other words, they've got professional commitments. We'll go ahead and watch this trade fall a little bit farther here. Remember, we teach you to go for anywhere from 10 to 20 pips. We just wanted to see a full 10 pip activity here from beginning to end. The other thing too is I call smaller trades in these sessions too, is because unfortunately we have a lot of individuals, probably 10 to 12% of the people who attend these sessions only want to trade what I call and really have no interest in our program. So I have to keep the profit objective small because we go through an expense to have people attend these sessions. And so out of courtesy to those who want to attend, we want to show you live setups, but we have to keep these calls small because of those people who abuse the system and continually try to attend just to trade what I call and have really no interest in pursuing our program. But as you can see here, the extent of this move has actually been now 40 pips, or about 30 pips right here that we see here. So we clearly could have made our 10 pips. So I just wanted to confirm that. So once again, we offer you this unlimited trading for 3 key reasons. Reason number 1 is because everybody has other disciplines that they're pursuing or other commitments that they have. Professional commitments, personal commitments, your family commitments. So it takes time to ease into the process. So the real value of having unlimited access means that you can pursue the training program at your own pace. The unlimited aspect gives you flexibility. So that's key reason number 1. Reason number 2 is we know it's virtually impossible for an individual not to be able to learn how to trade if they have unlimited access to the program. The reality is traders who have experience are typically the most difficult to start to get them into the process because they have to unlearn a lot of information. They take everything from a Socratic approach. They typically have had some bad experiences because they've been involved in technology-based trading programs, so they're very skeptical in the beginning. So we have to overcome that. The individuals with little or no trading experience, we can always teach and hit the ground running. So by having this unlimited access, we can make everyone successful. And that's why we offer a money-back guarantee. It's because we know it's virtually impossible for an individual not to be able to learn how to trade if they have unlimited access. Remember, it's learning a discipline. It requires repetition. It requires practice. It requires looking at the same information more than one time. And that dovetails into the third and final reason why we offer you unlimited access. Because we all need to go back and take refresher training. We lose information